Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study about the chapter advertising. First of all, we need to understand what's the purpose of doing advertising. To introduce a new product in the market, to distinguish how our current product is better than its competitors, to create a demand for the product, to create a buzz in the market that our product exists, to make the people aware about the product, to expand our sales, to create a brand loyalty and to create a brand personality. Let's proceed further and study about this chapter more in detail. When a product is to be launched, a lot of work goes into its definition. It is a long-term and an ongoing process. That means we need to understand about the market. We need to understand what are the other competitors in the market the brand will be facing and how can we make it a little better. How can we introduce our product in the market so that it will attract the consumer's attention. The research and development section of an organization creates a product. The R&D section is one of the most important department in any company, and this section, the R&D department, is the department which creates a product. I'll tell you how. This section defines its form, its specifications, its conditions, its look, its appearance, its packaging in case of a physical product. How the product will look, what will be its shape, what will be its dimensions, what will be its functions, what will be its condition, how will it appear, what will be the packaging of this product so that it takes the consumer's attention. Then they would also give the USP. The R&D section, the research and development section, gives you the USP of any product. What's USP? USP is the unique selling point. Unique selling point means the main feature of the product which other competitors do not provide in the market. One thing about this product which is very different and which only this product gives you, that is a unique selling point, something unique about the product. Sometimes market testing of product is done. At times different color schemes and appearance are chosen and the name of the product is blanked out. Before releasing a product in the market, we do market testing to get the idea whether every color scheme is okay, whether its appearance is okay, whether people are happy with the way the product is functioning, and then we release it in the market. And these responses are analyzed by psychologists and sociologists to come to conclusion about the most likely to be successful choice of the look and packaging of the product. The psychologist and the sociologist then decide which look they need to go for, which packaging is the best, and then they finally release the product. And this is the first stage in defining the identity of the product. That means the personality of the product. What is described above mostly applies to the consumer products, but sometimes a service may also be marketed and advertised like a product by manufacturing industries. We have two kinds of products in the market. One is consumer product, the normal products which everyone uses, and the other one is manufacturing product, which only manufacturing industries use. It's more of a business to business market product. Such a product or service may be used to industrial clients and not to general public. Only industrial clients uses this kind of products and not the general public. Advertising play an important role here too. In case of industrial clients, it becomes a case of one manufacturer serving some other specific needs of another. For example, a building company selling cement to another builder company. So this is how one manufacturing company is serving the specific needs of another. This is done through extensive research at its workplace. The data compiled is analyzed and the precise nature of the problem is identified. Whenever we do research, we have a thorough data. Then that data is analyzed, and according to that, we identify the problem and we try to solve the problem. Then a practical solution is evolved based on expertise. The solution then is presented to the client in a systemized way as a product or a service. Sometimes some gadgetry may be an industrial product. In that case, the technical function specifications of the gadget, the range of its function, what are the function it provides, For example, if we are launching a walkie-talkie in the market, so it's more of an industrial product. Mostly walkie-talkie is only used in uh, film industries, or more of a it's a security based device. So if we are launching a walkie-talkie, we need to understand the technical specification of the gadget, the range of its function, how is it an improvement on the existing system, and what are the tangible benefits. Tangible benefits means the real benefits are the buyer will get due to its uses, would be presented in an attractive manner. The most important thing is market your product, present it in a manner so that the consumer will be happy to buy it. Market research would give a projection to the targeted buyer and the audience in terms of its socio-economic profile and how the product is to be positioned so as to appeal the target buyers. For example, that means basically, why do we do market researching? Basically, to get the idea that which section of the society, which class of the society would be able to buy it. What will be its target audience? The target audience is middle class, the target audience is upper middle class, the target audience is the most affluent class. Or so how the product is to be positioned so as to appeal the target buyers. So, and once we know who is our target audience, then according to that we position our product, what the selling strategy should be, and according to that we make a selling strategy. An advertising campaign is an extension of this process. According to that we design an advertising campaign. If we are selling a soft drink, for suppose we are selling a soft drink called Sprite or Pepsi, we know our target audience is mostly youth will be consuming our product. So according to that we'll be making our advertising strategy, and we'll be making ads, and we'll be making advertisements, more of a youth oriented advertisements, more of a youth oriented music videos, so that it somehow appeals to the target consumer, that is youth. It is a comprehensively planned and launched effort. Means we do complete thorough research, complete planning, and then we launch our campaign, and then we launch our product finally. Every product belongs to a sector of business, and the buyers are distributed as per their needs and income levels. The main categories of various products and services are as follows. Simple, basically, we have various categories of products, we have various categories of services, and that's what we are going to discuss in our next topic. Number 1, automotive. Automotive means in this sector we find a whole range of offering, with an economy brand like Nano priced at 1.25 lakh to the other hatchbacks priced between 2.5 lakh to 7 lakh. Sedan cars in the range from 5 lakh to over few millions, and top premium brands cost even higher. Two-wheeler segments in India is a large one with many scooters and motorcycles. The most popular automotive brands are Swift, Altis, Audi. We have many sectors like this, like we have beverages brand, cellular products, clothing, computers, electronics, entertainment, financials, food and snacks, health related appliances, home appliances, ISP search, magazines, personal care, food, fast food, retailers, travel related, and many other products, which we are going to discuss in detail in our next lecture. For now, that's about it. Thank you.